How to connect Printful with Shopify. Connecting your Shopify store with Printful is a key step in starting your print-on-demand (POD) business. This integration allows you to automate order processing, printing, and shipping without having to manage inventory. Shopify is a popular and easy-to-use e-commerce platform, and when paired with Printful, it simplifies the process of selling custom products online. Step-by-step guide to connect Printful with Shopify. 1. Sign up for a Shopify account. Go to the Shopify website and click on Start Free Trial. Fill in your information such as email, password, and store name. After signing up, you can start setting up your store, including adding payment methods, configuring shipping settings, and organizing basic store details. 2. Sign up for a Printful account. Visit the Printful website and sign up by providing your name, email, and password. Once you're registered, you'll have access to the Printful dashboard where you can manage your designs, products, and orders. 3. Connect Shopify with Printful. To connect your Shopify store to Printful, follow these simple steps. Go to the Printful dashboard. From the Printful main menu, click on Stores on the left-hand side. Select Choose Platform. Click on the option to choose a platform, and in this case, select Shopify. Click Connect. This will begin the process of linking your Shopify account to Printful. Log in to Shopify. Enter your Shopify credentials to authorize the connection between your Printful account and your Shopify store. Install the Printful app in Shopify. Once connected, Shopify will prompt you to install the Printful app. Click Install App to complete the integration. 4. Create products and sync with Shopify. Once your accounts are connected, you can start creating and syncing products to Shopify. Create new products in Printful. Go to the Product Templates section in Printful and browse through the available products like t-shirts, mugs, and bags. Customize your products. Upload your custom designs to the product using Printful's design tool. You can adjust the placement and preview how the design looks on the item. Sync products to Shopify. Once you've finalized your product design, click Add to Store to automatically sync it to your Shopify store. Your product will now be visible in Shopify and available for sale. 5. Set pricing and shipping in Shopify pricing. Printful provides the base cost of the product, including the printing fee. You can set your retail price by adding your desired profit margin. Shipping. Set up your shipping options in Shopify. Printful offers automatic shipping options that sync with Shopify to ensure a smooth order fulfillment process. 6. Launch your store and start selling. Once your products are set up and connected to Shopify, you can launch your store. Shopify will handle the sales, while Printful will take care of printing and shipping the products directly to your customers. Conclusion. Connecting. Printful with Shopify is a straightforward process that allows you to focus on designing and marketing your products while Printful handles the printing and shipping. Once integrated, your store will run smoothly with automated order fulfillment, allowing you to grow your print-on-demand business efficiently